Hello, and in this video we'll be playing Forsaken. This part is just me walking ill cut to the killer. This chase is so peak. Not gonna lie, that was the win. My scream is like a grown man DW in so peak. Sorry if the audio is bad, I have to record on phone BCI. Don't have a computer or anything like that yet. Noli is killer. I was sick while making this, so don't mind. Didn't even last a min. Ah yes, my goat Deathbringer. The killer was chill and left, so I cut it out. I was targeted the whole round, man, it was so fun. 100%. After this stun they got mad at me and started to target me. Audio is delayed, sorry. That guess just helped the Noli. I'm going to cut some out. I am a mobile player, so I did die at the end. What was that stab? I'm so goated. Kira's tried to heal, but the Nova hits me. How long will bro target me for? I ended up fumbling my slashes and died. He used Noli thing to be toxic, saying psych, but at the end with my skills I stalled long enough and made everyone live. Time to max the tune on Shed. It's the Eggman. Perfect time to stun. It's rigged. But I'm still pro. Don't mind me, I need the mouse. I'm using chance now because I'm just so pro. Time to be useful. Alright, LMS time. I'm so cooked. I need to stop gambling. In this round I was targeted my vanity slasher. I'ma go say hi to them. Don't mind my giggle. They got mad. And now let the targeting begin. I shall put some music on. This is rigged. That's what happens when I fumble my block. The round is about to end, and the other guest hasn't even tried to help. This guy won't leave me alone, man. Holy lag. Even though I failed, that I still won. Finally, someone else. With my 100% amazing skills, we all survived. The killer is Noli. Let's see if I can get a stun. I'm goated. I'm so pro. Never mind. Time to unleash the beast. Let me cut to the chase. You're not slick, buddy. I hate you, Elliot. What is this hitbox, bro? They made me mad. Stupid bug. Dang, bro, you missed. This isn't fair, bro. You're so done for. So smart, bro. One down for to go. Time for some murder. guess because they have 32 days. Shed got in my way. Stupid shed. Dude. I had to end his suffering, man. Did you see the amount of stuns he failed? Anyways, LMS time. GGS guest. Time to use my biggest enemy. Time to show my awesome skills. It's sulfur monoxide rigged. Okay, let's do this. I'm so goated. Time for a second life. Oh yeah, I'm so pro. Time to sneak a stab. I'm just pro. If I die, I'm ending this video. So W. No fair. IP shed.
No.
I'm out. This is so dumb. I quit. Consider liking and subscribing.